VP Kosano Chiwenga, he is the politician of the year 2025. VP Kosano Chiwenga was instrumental throughout this year. Tanga gorino richivhurwa aiwa taona VP Kosano Chiwenga through maspeeches ake panguva ine kwakazodhiraivhiwa the popular word rakushandisa kuti zvigananda is the one akatanga naro achiataka vakomana vemari vari kuno kwanzi vari kushatisa zita remusangano. Tisatapinda mashoko anongwa kunzi Chiwenga's speeches akauya akamisa urongwa hweZANU-PF nevakomana ve2030 ngavakwamenda constitution and the likes. Kuti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Isaac Makomicha anomudanyira chiti number 1. VP Kosano Chiwenga, he fought a huge fight, risking his job to protect the constitution. The 2030 faction wanted to change the constitution for their own benefit, but VP Chiwenga stood in their way and blocked the amendment. Number 2. Anti-corruption crusade. He is the only politician openly attacking corruption and calling for the arrest of Shigananda. Number 3. Economic vision and beneficiation, driving value-added mining, renewable energy, and AI-enabled growth. He is pushing for policies that ensure Zimbabwe's natural resources are processed locally, creating jobs and boosting exports. His focus on renewable energy aims to reduce power shortages while integrating AI in mining to increase efficiency and safety. Number 4. Equal opportunities, pushing policies that spread wealth and empower every Zimbabwean. Number 5. National unity, bridging tribal divides to foster cohesion across the country. He is working hard alongside his wife to unite Zimbabwe's divided nation. Tomashkwana mudaitokwana Makomicha achachiti aiwa general vanodiseva kuva aiwa politician wegore rino rapera ra2025. Pinda comment section medu dzofungura any more kudi pamusoro aiwa pemashoko awa. Pinda comment section medu tsona subscribe or like chiri on the bell icon.